Hi, I'm Wanda from Bonanza. This video is about how to return your item for a refund if you received the wrong item or it was damaged. When you purchase an item on Bonanza, you are purchasing directly from a seller that sells from their Bonanza booth. Each seller sets their own return and refund policies. A summary of the seller's return policy will be listed on the listing. If you received the wrong item and it was damaged, the first thing we recommend is contact the seller directly. On the order, click Send a Message. The order number will be included. Sellers span a wide range of time zones and business hours. Sellers will typically respond in 24 to 48 hours. It is common practice for the seller to request a photo of the item. Send the image directly to the seller's email. Our Bonanza system does not support download or images at this time. Then the seller may provide a return label or an address so that you can return the item. One note, always save the tracking information for the returned item so that you can track the package back to the seller. If you do not hear from the seller or receive a refund once you see the item has been returned, reach out to the seller to remind them. If the seller becomes unresponsive, we recommend filing a dispute against the seller for a refund. For your financial security, PayPal does not permit Bonanza to file a dispute on your behalf. If you used your PayPal account, click Report a Problem at the bottom of the order and follow the links. If you used a debit or credit card, your payment was processed through PayPal's guest checkout. You should have received an email from PayPal when you placed your order. In that email is a link so that you can create a PayPal account and file a dispute against the seller. A dispute on PayPal will count against the seller, and if the seller is unresponsive to multiple disputes, PayPal may take further action against the seller's account. Some sellers may have offered Stripe when you placed your order. In this case, you will reach out to your bank or credit card company and ask for a chargeback to your account. If you used Amazon Pay, we recommend that you reach out to them for assistance. Please note that payment disputes are time sensitive. For current deadlines, please contact the payment processor you used, PayPal, Amazon Pay, or your bank. Failure to do so could result in your claim being rejected. We hope the information we have provided has been helpful. If you need additional assistance, please contact our award-winning support team at support@bonanza.com. At Bonanza, it's everything but the ordinary.